हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो सब? बिल्कुल बढ़िया। चलो, इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम रिगार्डिंग पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हियर द बेस ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इज गिवन. So first you have to draw the diagram of parallelogram. So what is parallelogram? It's a quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other. So this is one parallelogram. The base of parallelogram is twice its height. Suppose this is height. Name this parallelogram ABCD, and this is height H, and this is base B. So here we are given that base is twice of its height. So here we can write our base as a twice of its height H, and the height of this parallelogram is H. And the area of parallelogram, also we are given the area. The area of this parallelogram ABCD is 98 centimeter square. This is given. So you have to find the height and base of this parallelogram. So what is the height and what is the value of this base of this parallelogram that you have to find. Clear students? So this is given data. So first you have to write the given data from the question. So the base of parallelogram is given. So you have to draw the diagram of parallelogram, and the relationship between base and height of parallelogram is given. So what is the relationship? The base of parallelogram, this is base on which our parallelogram stands. So this base of this parallelogram is twice of this height. So it's a twice of the H. Why the relationship between base and height is given? Because the formula to find the area of this parallelogram is in the terms of base and height. Done? So this is given. So you have to find the height and base of the parallelogram. Given is area of this parallelogram. So you have to apply the formula of area of parallelogram. So all of you know the formula to find the area of parallelogram. So what is the area? Area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is nothing but the base into height. Base into height है ना, 1/2 नहीं आएगा, 1/2 ट्राइंगल में आएगा. सो एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इज 98 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इक्वल टू बेस इंटू हाइट. Base is 2h and height is h. Take this 2 into division. So 98/2 equal to h square. So it's a 49. So we are getting h square equal to 49. So taking square root on both sides. So h equal to 7 centimeter. So height h is 7 centimeter. So we can write our answer. Our answer is height of this parallelogram is 7 centimeter and base is twice of the height. Base is twice of the height. So 2 7s are 14 centimeter. These are the dimensions of this parallelogram. Height is 7 centimeter. Base is 14 centimeter. Find the area of this parallelogram. It's a base into height. 14 7s are 98 centimeter square is the area of this parallelogram. This is given. That is given. So very simple sum is there. Now try next sum. So here height and base of triangular field are 250 meter and 300 meter respectively. So triangular field is there. So first you have to draw triangular field. That is nothing but the triangle. This is our triangular field ABC, in which height is AM and that is H, and suppose base is B. So height H is height and base of triangular field are 250 meter. So first height and second one is base respectively are given. So first height, that you have to consider base. Base is 300 meter. So base and height of the triangular field are given. Find the cost of leveling the field at the rate of, here the rate of leveling is given. So what is the rate? If you want to level 1 square meter of land, it will cost us 0.50 paisa per meter square. The cost of leveling 1 meter square area is 0.50 paisa, or you can say 0.50 rupees per meter square. So you have to find the total cost of leveling that triangular field. So what is the total cost? Total cost is nothing but the total amount that we have to spend for the leveling of this entire area. So whole area is the area of triangular field. So first you have to find the total area of field. So area of triangular field. Area of triangular field is nothing but the area of triangle, and the formula is 1/2 into base into corresponding altitude, or we can say base into height. So that is equal to 1/2 base is 300 and height is 250 meter. So this is equal to 25 3s are 75 and 30 and divided by 2, this much amount of meter square. So we are getting area of field, triangular field, equal to 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10 and 2 0, 37,500 meter square. This is the total area of our triangular field. The total area of the triangular field is 37,500 meters square. Now we have to level this land, this much amount of area, and for that rate is 0.50 paisa or 50 rupees 0.50 paisa per meter square. 50 paisa per meter square. So cost of leveling, we can say cost of leveling 1 meter square area is 0.50 paisa, 0.50 rupees, and therefore cost of leveling 37,500 meter square area equal to how much? So you have to multiply this 37,500 upon 1 into 50 by 100. 1 0 will be cut, again 1 0 is cut. So our total rupees will be 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35 plus 2 37, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18 and 1 0, 18,750. So total cost of leveling the field at the 0.50 rupees per meter square will be 18,750 rupees. Clear? So this is how we can solve your question number 2. Clear, students? Pause the video. 8th question is there. The circumference of circle is 44 centimeter. Find its radius and diameter. Normally we are given radius and diameter and we have to find the circumference. But for this sum, circumference is given and we have to find the radius and diameter of circle. This is one circle. Circle with radius r is given. So here circumference is given. The value of circumference is given. So value of circumference is 44 centimeter. Question is find the value of radius and diameter of this circle. We can directly find the diameter from the radius because the diameter is the twice of radius. Basically we have to find the value of this radius. For that we are given circumference, so apply the formula of circumference. Circumference of circle with radius r is 2 pi r. Circumference means perimeter of circle, so it's a 2 pi r. Value of circumference is given 44 centimeter. So 44 equal to 2 into pi 22 by 7 in radius r. Solve this equation, we are getting the value of this radius r. So this 7 will come into multiplication. This 22 2s are 44 will go into division equal to r. 44 cut. So our value r equal to 7 centimeter. So this is your first answer. Radius r equal to 7 centimeter. So we can also find diameter. diameter is nothing but the twice of the radius. So twice of the radius, so it's a 2 sevens are 14 centimeter. There is a value of diameter d for this circle. Enjoy. Which figure encloses the more area? Which figure encloses the more area? Figure enclosed by the closed figure is called the area of circle. So you have to find the area of circle, area of two figures, area of square of side 13 centimeter and one rectangle of dimension 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So two figures are given, square and rectangle, and you have to find which figure encloses the more area. Dimensions are given. For this square, the length of each side is given 13 centimeter, and for this rectangle, length and breadth are given 10 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. So here length is 13 centimeter. So you have to compare the area of this square and rectangle, and you have to find which figure encloses the more area. So first you have to find the area of square. So area of square is nothing but the side square, L square. L is 13 square, which is 169 centimeter square, or you can say square centimeter. So our answer, area of square is 169 centimeter square. This is first figure. Now you have to find the area of second figure. Second figure, that is rectangle. So now you have to find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. So what is the formula? It's a length into breadth. Both are given. Length is 10, breadth is 8. So our answer, area of rectangle equal to 80 centimeter square. Now you can give your answer. Which figure encloses more area? Area of square is 169 and area of square is 80 centimeter square. So which figure encloses more area? 169. So area of square. So you have to write the answer. Therefore, square, you have to write the name. Which figure? So which figure? Square. So square encloses more area. Square encloses more area than given rectangle. Square encloses the more area than rectangle. Question में ऐड कर दे. By how much? Then you have to subtract this 80 from this 169 if it is asked. है ना? 10th sum and the last sum of this video. The inner and outer circumference of circular ring are. Circular ring is there. So circular ring, inner and outer circumference of circular ring are 44 centimeter and 88 centimeter. So this is inner circle, this is outer circle. So this is one ring. है ना, इसको आप कंसिडर कर सकते हो. This is one as a ring. So this is inner circumference and this is outer circumference. So inner circumference, suppose this is radius and this one is radius R1 and for outer radius is R2. So here inner circumference of the ring is given 44 centimeter and outer circumference is given as 88 centimeter. So you have to find the width of the ring. So what is the width of the ring? Width of the ring is nothing but the difference of this radius. So width of the given ring is nothing but the R2 minus R1. And the difference of radius of this both circle, that is outer radius minus inner radius, R2 minus R1 is nothing but the difference of this radius, and the difference of radius is nothing but the width of the ring that you have to find. So from this given two data, we have to find the values of this radius, and then you have to perform the subtraction of radius. So we know the formula to find the circumference, inner circumference. So circle with radius r1, that is inner circumference. So formula is 2 pi r, and for radius r1 we are having 2 pi r1. 2 pi r1 is 44. Done. That is our inner circumference. Put the values, find the value of r1. So it's a 2 into 22 by 7 into r1 equal to 44. Write the equation in terms of r1. 22 to the 44. So we are getting r1 equal to 7 centimeter. Similarly, outer circumference is radius with circle with radius r2. So outer circumference will be 2 pi r2. So it's a 2 pi r2 equal to 88. Again put the values. So it's a 2 into 22 by 7 into r2 equal to 88. So 22 to the 44 to the 88. So we are getting our r2 as a 7 to the 14 centimeter. So radius of outer circle is 14 centimeter and radius of inner circle is 7 centimeter. So what is the width of ring? So width of ring is nothing but the r2 minus r1. Outer radius minus inner radius, 14 minus 7 equal to 7 centimeter. This is your answer, 7 centimeter. So find the width of the ring. The width of the ring is 7 centimeter. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down, and please share this video with your friends. These are the extra additional practice sums for your chapter perimeter and area. Done? So share the video with your friends. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Question number 3. The sides of triangle are in the ratio 5:6:7. What we are given? Triangle. So let's draw one triangle. 3 sides of triangle are given. So triangle ABC, and measure of each sides are small a, small b and small c. So these 3 sides are in the ratio 5:6:7, and perimeter is given. Perimeter of triangle is 72 centimeter. What is perimeter of triangle? Sum of all 3 sides of triangle a plus b plus c is 72 is given. So perimeter is a plus b plus c equal to 72 centimeter. You have to find the sides of triangle. So what is the length of each side of the triangle that you have to find? So ratio is given. So we have discussed that whenever the ratio is given, you have to assume that given ratio equal to x. So ratio of 3 sides of triangle. Let 3 sides of triangles are a, b and c. So it's a ratio b ratio c, and that is equal to 5:6:7, and take that ratio equal to x. That you have to assume. So here you are getting a equal to 5x, length of first side 5x. Then we are getting length of second side b equal to 6x, and length of third side c equal to 7x. So these are the 3 lengths of sides of triangle in terms of x. We have to solve this x. Perimeter is given, so apply the formula of perimeter of triangle. So what is the formula? Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is nothing but the 72 given. But what is the formula? It's a sum of length of all 3 sides. All 3 sides are a, b and c. So it's a plus b plus c equal to 72. Already written. So our a is 5x, b is 6x, c is 7x equal to 72. 6 plus 5 11x plus 7 18x. So we are getting 18x equal to 72. So take this 18 into division of the 72. सो यू आर गेटिंग x इक्वल टू 72 by 18. कटिंग होगा 18 4 जार 72. So we are getting x equal to 4. That is not our answer. Our answer is find the sides of triangle. Sides are A, B and C. So we have to write our answer over here. So sides of triangle are, first side A equal to 5 into x and our x is 4. It's a 5 4s are 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Second side B is 6x. 6 4s are 24 centimeter. Third side C is 7 4s are 28 centimeter. So these are the three sides of triangle, and if you take the sum of all these three sides, you are getting 72. That is the perimeter of triangle that is given. That is the verification of our sum. Clear, students? So this is how you can solve your question number 3. When ratio of three sides of triangle is given, perimeter is given, then you have to use the formula of perimeter. Sometimes question may be changed. Instead of giving this perimeter, suppose area may be given, so you have to use the formula of area, and then you have to solve for this x and put that value of x in the given values of sides in terms of x. So we are getting our answer, actual answer. Clear, students? So now check that question number 4. So find the radius of circular park. Circular park. This is our circular park with radius r. So here you have to find the radius of the circular park. If area of the park is given, area of the park is 7546 square meter. Simple sum is there. So what is the area of circle? Formula area of circle with radius r, और formula is pi r square. Formula तो आना ही चाहिए. Area of circle with radius r is pi r square, and the area of circle is given, which is 7546 equal to, now put the value of pi, it's a 22 by 7 multiply by r square. Now take this 7 into multiplication and 22 into division. So it's a 7546 into 7 upon 22 equal to r square. कटिंग होगा, देखते हैं चलो. 11 2 ज़ा 22, 11 6 ज़ा 66, 9 and 4, 11 8 ज़ा 88, 6 11 6 ज़ा 66 हो गया. अगेन 2 से 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2 4 ज़ा 8, 2 3 ज़ा 6. So this will be 3 4 3 into 7. So 3 4 3 is nothing but the 7 cube. So it can be written as 7 into 7 into 7, and this 7 is again, so it's a r square. So r square is 49 into 49. So it's a 49 square. So radius r is 49 meter. Radius of circular park is 49 meter. है ना, क्या यूज़ किया? 7 स्क्वायर 49, 7 क्यूब 343. Done. So this is how you can find the value of radius of the given circular park. Pause the video and note it down. Okay students, now question number 5. So here you are given that find the area of square whose perimeter is 24 meter. Square is given, and for this square perimeter is given. So what is square? All sides are equal. A quadrilateral in which all sides are equal and for which value of perimeter is given. Perimeter is 24 meter, and for this square you have to find the value of its area. So here perimeter is given, so we can use the formula of perimeter. So perimeter of square is, what is the formula? It's a 4 into L, 4 into side, sum of all the 4 sides, L plus L plus L, that is 4L, that is perimeter of square. The value of perimeter is given 24 meter. So this is equal to 24 meter equal to 4L, So here 4 is in multiplication, take into division. So it's a 24 by 4 equal to L, and therefore we are getting L equal to 4 6 are 24. So 6 meter is the length of side of the square. Perimeter is given. By using the formula of perimeter of square, we got the length of side of the square. So if the length of side is given, we can find the area of square. So now apply the formula of area of the square. So formula is area of the square is nothing but the L square, side square, and value of side is 6. So it's a 6 square. So area of square is 36 square meter is there. Square meter. This is the answer of this question. Area of the square is 36 square meter, or you can also write meter square unit. Clear? Very simple sum is there. Whatever the quantity is given, you have to apply that formula. By applying that formula, you have to derive the value of L. Because what is our basic concept? To find the area or to find the area or perimeter, we require the dimensions of square or dimension of any quantity, dimension of any figure. So here dimension of this square is length of the square. So first you have to derive the length, and by obtaining that length we can find the area of that square. Clear, students? Now here a square plate of edge 7 cm has a circular hole. So one square plate, and that square plate has a hole of area 18 cm square. So one circular hole is there, and the area of the circular hole is 18 cm square, and length of edge of square is 7 cm. This is 7 cm. 7 cm edge. So find the area of remaining plate. So plate with hole is there. So remaining area of the plate is nothing but this one. What is the area of remaining plate? So you have to find the area of this entire square, and from this you have to subtract the area of this hole, and area of the hole is given 18 cm. So very simple sum is there. So area of remaining plate, area of remaining plate, area of remaining plate is nothing but the area of square minus area of this circle, circle, that means one hole. So it's a area of plate, area of square plate minus area of hole. So what is the area of plate? Plate is in the form of square, so it's a side square. So it's a 7 square minus area of hole. Hole is given 18 cm square. So 49 minus 18. So area of remaining plate, area of remaining plate is equal to 49 minus 18, 9 minus 8, 1, and 31 square meter. Very easy. Now try this one. Again same sum is there. You have to find the area of shaded region. So what is shaded region? So for this you have to find the area of this square, and from this area of square you have to subtract the area of this circle. In this case area of circle 18 cm square is already given, but in this case instead of given this area of the circle, we are given radius of circle. That means you have to obtain the area of this circular part also. So now square is there. For square dimensions are L, which is 15 meter, and circle is there whose radius is 7 meter. So area of shaded region is nothing but the area of square minus area of circle. So first we will obtain area of square. Area of square. So area of square is nothing but the side square, L square. So L is given 15. So 15 square, which is equal to 225 meter square, or also you can write square meter. This is the area of square. Now you can find the area of circle. Area of circle with a radius r is there. So it's a pi r square. So put the value of pi 22 by 7, and value of r, radius, this is given 7 meter. So r square, it's a 7 into 7, 7 7 cut. So 22 7s are 154, 7 2s are 7 7 2s are 14 and 15, 154 meter square. So area of square is 225 meter square. Area of circle is 154 meter square. So we can find the area of shaded region. So now our area of shaded region is equal to, what is the shaded region? Total square minus area of this circle. So area of square minus area of circle, it's a area of square minus area of circle. So what is area of square? Area of square is 225 minus area of circle is 154. So 225 minus 154, 5 minus 4, 1, 22 minus 15, 71 meter square. This is the area of this shaded region. Very simple sum is there. You have to apply the formula of square and circle. First find the area of square by using the formula side square. Then find the area of circle by using the formula pi r square. Length and radius of square as well as circle respectively given. Apply that formula, take the subtraction, you will get the answer. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down.